unparalleled views and direct location on the Intracoastal Waterway, this luxurious 2-bedroom, 2-bath unfurnished villa offers a rare opportunity for Atlantic Coast ownership. Situated inside the gated and beautifully landscaped Edgewater community at Barefoot Properties, this unit showcases a split floor plan, a screened porch, and a sizable kitchen with lots of cabinets and counter space. A spacious master bath includes a jetted tub, walk-in shower, and matching vanities. Also featured are a laundry room with washer and dryer, a storage unit, and garage parking for a vehicle and golf cart. All Edgewater buildings have secure entry, and owners and residents enjoy a private clubhouse along the waterway with a large pool and fitness facility. Other Barefoot amenities include 4 award-winning golf courses, restaurants, a boating marina, private beach cabana, and more. Don't miss this chance at the best the North Myrtle Beach area has to offer. Edgewater is waiting for you. Call today.